Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome to another episode. Today is part 3 of our Clifty Falls painting. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me, and that includes these 4 awesome animal posters. Please go buy them right now. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So, the name of the game today is just continuing on doing what we were already doing and making these details just a little bit smaller. So we are just going to be continue using that larger angle brush, but we are going to make it just a little bit smaller. So I grabbed the number 4 angle brush instead, and that's what I've been using for most of today's video. Our color palette is going to be relatively the same as it was in the last video. So that will be your yellow ochre, titanium white, Mars black, raw umber, a little bit of cadmium yellow, and a little bit of burnt sienna. And other than that, I didn't really venture too much outside of that other than the green color. I do get some phthalo green in there, and that is obviously just for the trees and the moss. And that moss color, what I did is I would mix up some gray and then add the phthalo green into that, and that would really give you that muted sort of green tone for that moss. And then obviously I would use a lot of Mars black and raw umber to get some of these shades and shadows, and this really starts getting the depth and detail into some of these rocks, and I'm anxious to see where this one takes us. So for a lot of the work that you're seeing right now, I actually got a new brush and I wanted to try it out. So that's exactly what I've been doing, and it's been fantastic. I do love this brush, and it seems to really help hold that paint in a lot better than some of the other brushes that I did have, and I just seem to really like it. So I think that's probably where I'm going to be getting my brushes from now on, and it is a Winsor & Newton one, just like the rest of all my paints. So I guess I'll just stick in with the Winsor & Newton family. best not to get overly detailed with this third pass. I did not want to get caught spending just a little bit too much time on this pass so that we can save all those fine details for the last passes that we're going to do. I haven't fully decided how many we're going to do. I think after this one, I'm just going to start going through and getting the final pass gone down, but I haven't really fully decided. I'll just have to wait to see how this next pass goes. Gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. This bad boy is just coming out fantastic. These details are really starting to shape up. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, take a visit to my website, and I will see you in the next episode.